Welcome to Camino del Sol and the future home of the Sunset Beach townhomes. Just 3 kilometers outside of the Cabarete Center and a 30-minute drive from the Puerto Plata International Airport, this new development is poised to be your next best investment. At 125 square meters, these 2-story townhomes have 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, their own private yard with swimming pool, parking, and a rooftop terrace. With only 6 slated to be built, you can be sure that this development will be both private and quiet. As real estate expands and grows here on the North Coast, Camino del Sol is set to be the next most popular area just east of Cabarete. So if you've always wanted to get in before the big boom, this is your opportunity. With its wild beaches and close access to the La Boca River, this property will be ideal for anyone who wants to kiteboard, stand-up paddle, or just relax outside of the touristy areas. So, for more information on this pre-construction listing, please contact me, Michelle Bordeaux, at www.realtordr.com.